All right, we are in Burlington, Iowa. There's Steam Train Sarah. Here's the Amtrak station down here. See train yard over there. But they have a 1930 Baldwin. I think it said it was a 464. But
it's definitely 4 on the
but
back.
in my head that don't sound right.
And I only
But
see 4 drivers, so I see 4 pony, 6 drivers.
So it is a 464. Okay. So it's a 1930 Baldwin. You can actually go all the way around this one. I'm so happy. It's fenced off, but you can still go around it. The Burlington route, obviously, because we're in Burlington. Let's see, 4, 6, and 4, yep. 4, 6, 4. I'll take a picture of whatever all that stuff says right there. CB&Q 3003. I think that's what? Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy? Look, folks, this is the way to do it. Look how low that fence is. You can take pictures over it. You can pose in front of it. We're like downtown on the waterfront. You can see the bridge back there. You can see this is the old downtown. It looks like that was a mill. All these brick areas. And the Burlington Hotel. But I don't know how Sarah is inside there right now, but
magic.
It must be some kind of magic.
Must be. I saw that the gate wasn't locked. I shouldn't have
well, that's on the city then, isn't it?
Sure is.
Oh, yeah.
Say I couldn't come in.
Water tower up there. See, look, the fence is low. I can get pictures.
It looks like they used to have path access on the other side.
That's probably because they had a spider monkey problem of people breaking in and climbing up on it.
Higher fences, fix that. Actually lock gates, fix that.
Yeah, locked gates will do that. Coming around on this side. No boilerplate on it, though. And there's the little water tower thing. The writing's better on this side, the CB&Q. It's not as faded. Oh. Or, yeah, maybe they took it down to paint it, whatever. Yeah. I know, there's the sun right up there again. All right. Well, I'm gonna stop here and take pictures because if I keep videoing, I might get more of Sarah doing a misdemeanor or something.
Not allowed at that.
Hey, there was no signs. All right. Thanks, guys. Pictures at the end.